Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest and greatest in home office and workspace essentials. So grab a notebook and let's explore these must-have items that will make your home office not only functional, but also a pleasure to work in. Let's get started. 1. Love-mounted work lamp. Illuminate your reading nook or workspace with the love-mounted work lamp in black. Featuring a rotatable head, this sleek lamp provides directed light perfect for reading or detailed tasks. Its versatile design makes it an ideal companion by the armchair, bed, or desk. 2. Huntsnet Cable Management Box. Declutter your space with the Huntsnet Cable Management Box in natural. Crafted from unbleached molded paperboard, this box conceals cables, chargers, and power strips, protecting them from dust and creating an organized environment. 3. Versasong Cable Management. Optimize your workspace with the Versasong Cable Management Tray in white. Designed to clamp onto desks or other horizontal surfaces, this tray neatly gathers cables and small items, keeping your area tidy and easily accessible. 4. Lonis Belar Cup Holder. Stay refreshed during gaming sessions with the Lonis Belar Cup Holder in black. Easily clamped to your desk, this holder keeps your drink within reach, yet safely away from your keyboard and mouse, reducing spill risks. 5. Grunfgel Office Chair with Armrests. Enjoy ergonomic comfort with the Grunfgel Office Chair in Letaforce Gray Green White. Featuring 3D adjustable armrests, adjustable lumbar support, and a synchronized tilt mechanism, this chair ensures proper posture and reduces strain during long work hours. The Letaforce fabric cover adds a cooling effect and is easy to clean. 6. Stigbeigel Swivel Chair with Armrests. Bring a touch of nature into your home with the Stigbeigel Swivel Chair in beige or white. Hand-woven from paper twine, each chair is unique and offers comfortable support with its body-shaped backrest and adjustable height. 7. Grunfgel Headrest. Enhance your Grunfgel office chair with this adjustable headrest in Letaforce Gray Black. Designed to provide additional neck support, it complements the chair's ergonomic features and helps maintain a comfortable posture. 8. Relatera Add-on Unit. Maximize your desk space with the Relatera Add-on Unit in light gray green. This shelf, compatible with the Relatera desk, offers extra storage for organizing pens, books, and small items. Its movable hook adds versatility. 9. UPP Spell CPU Stand. Effortlessly move your computer tower with the UPP Spell CPU stand in dark gray. Adjustable to fit most towers, this durable stand on casters makes it easy to reposition your computer or clean your workspace. 10. Steneric Laptop Support. Achieve better posture with the Steneric Laptop Support. This stylish, layer-glued wood stand raises your laptop to eye level, improves air circulation, and provides space for notepads or a mouse and keyboard underneath. 11. Havskoll 2-piece USB anchor. Keep your USB cables organized with the Havskoll anchors in black-yellow. These magnetic anchors secure cables on flat surfaces, preventing them from falling and making them easy to access. The set includes one black and one yellow anchor. 12. Stubberget Dual Monitor Stand. Enhance your ergonomic setup with the Stubberget Dual Monitor Stand in black. This stand allows you to adjust your monitor's height and angle, improving your posture and freeing up desk space. 13. Lunispellere Headset Stand. Show off your headset with the Lunispellere stand in ash veneer. This stylish stand keeps your headset and cables organized, making your desk look neat and tidy. It matches other accessories in the Lunispellere series. 14. Lunispellere Mouse Bungee. Ensure uninterrupted gaming with the Lunispellere Mouse Bungee in black. This device keeps your mouse cord from tangling, providing full freedom of movement. Its stable base and adjustable spring enhance your gaming experience. 15. Scottish Magazine Holder. Organize your reading materials with the Scottish Magazine Holder in black. Designed for the Scottish Pegboard, this holder keeps magazines, newspapers, and important papers within easy reach and well organized. 16. Risatorp Desk. Organizer, tidy up your desk, kitchen, or meeting room with the Risatorp Desk Organizer in white. Featuring 2 compartments, it provides ample space to store accessories, hobby items, or spices, making it easy to find what you need. 17. Scottish Hook Rack. Add the Scottish Hook Rack in black to your Scottish Pegboard for better organization. Ideal for keys, jewelry, cords, or small items, this rack is easy to attach and move, helping you create a personalized storage solution. 18. Scottish Tool Holder. Keep your tools, brushes, or utensils organized with the Scottish Tool Holder in black. Easily attachable to the Scottish Pegboard, it allows you to customize your storage and quickly access your tools when needed. 19. Scottish Hook. Organize your keys, jewelry, or utensils with the Scottish Hook in white. This 5-pack of hooks attaches easily to the Scottish Pegboard, providing a flexible and tool-free solution for keeping your items in order. 20. Al Forset Cable Tie. Tame your cables with the Al Forset cable ties, available in a set of 15. These reusable ties help you organize small and large cable bundles, with the large ties including a hook for hanging cables. 21. Live BOJ Wireless Charger. Experience the convenience of wireless charging with the Live BOJ charging pad in white. Its slim design and compatibility with USB-C cables make it perfect for boosting your smartphone's battery at home or on the go. 22. Palra Mini Chest with 3 drawers. Organize your small items with the Palra Mini Chest in black. Featuring an embossed pattern and metal handles, this decorative chest is perfect for storing crafts, papers, and accessories. Fits in Billy bookcases and other storage units. 23. Hest Viscera Mini Chest of Drawers. Keep your workspace tidy with the Hest Viscera Mini Chest of Drawers in oak effect. Made of sturdy paperboard with a wood veneer look, it offers compartments for small accessories and an open shelf for magazines or a laptop. Fits in Billy bookcases. 24. Isnolan LED Work Lamp. Add a touch of retro charm to your workspace with the Isnolan LED work lamp in white brass color. Its flexible gooseneck arm allows you to direct light where needed, making it perfect for tasks like homework, arts and crafts, or reading. 25. Scottish Hook. Create an organized space with the Scottish Hook in white, 3x4. Ideal for keys and jewelry, these small hooks attach easily to the Scottish Pegboard, helping you keep your items neatly arranged and within reach. 26. Scottish Elastic Cord. Enhance your Scottish Pegboard with the Scottish Elastic Cord in gray. Perfect for hanging photographs, sunglasses, or scarves, this set of 3 cords is easy to attach and move, offering a customizable storage solution. 27. NIM Desk Organizer. Brighten up your desk with the NIM Desk Organizer in yellow. This compact box with 3 compartments helps you sort and store pens, paper clips, and other small items, keeping your workspace neat and cheerful. 28. NIM Magazine File. Keep your bills, receipts, and important papers organized with the NIMM Magazine File in yellow. Perfect for sorting and storing magazines, bills, or children's drawings. Fits A4 and US letter-sized documents. 29. NIM Magazine File. Sort your papers and magazines with the NIM Magazine File in spotted gray. This 2-pack provides an easy way to keep bills, recipes, and important documents organized and accessible, whether at home or in the office. 30. Degato Footrest. Sit comfortably at your desk with the Degato footrest in black. Easily adjustable with your foot, it provides a non-slip surface and tilts to a comfortable angle, reducing strain on your legs, back, and neck. Thanks for watching our roundup of essential workspace products. We hope you found some great ideas to spruce up your desk and make your workday more enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips and reviews. Until next time, keep your workspace organized and your productivity high. See you in the next video.